एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो आप सब लोग? आई होप आप अच्छे होंगे। सो आई एम बैक विद अनदर वीक्स हॉरोस्कोप दैट इज 19th ऑफ अक्टूबर टिल 25th ऑफ अक्टूबर एज पर योर मून साइन। अगर आपको आपका मून साइन नहीं पता है तो आप ये सन साइन के हिसाब से भी देख सकते हैं। तो इट्स अ जनरल रीडिंग। बहुत ही मेहनत और प्यार से ये गाइडेंसेस आई हैव पुल्ड आउट फॉर यू, गणेश जी की ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ। So I hope these guidances will resonate with you and it will help you to plan your week accordingly. और ये हफ्ता फेस्टिवल का है। 19 को छोटी दिवाली है, 20th को दिवाली है। So wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. May this Diwali brings you lot of prosperity, abundance and happiness in your life. So बिफोर दैट, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन। मैं टाइम स्टैम्प डाल दूंगी ज़ोडिएक का डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। आप वहां से अपनी रीडिंग एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स वहां पे मेंशन रहेंगे। अगर आपको मुझसे बात करनी है और इफ यू वांट टू रीच आउट टू मी, डू रीच आउट टू मी थ्रू दीज प्लेटफॉर्म्स। So I'm your spiritual guide Himani. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First zodiac sign is Aries. चलिए देखते हैं एरीज के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है इस हफ्ते। ओके, एरीज आपके लिए कार्ड आया है द वर्ल्ड, विच मीन्स इट्स अ ब्रिलियंट वीक वेयर यू विल अचीव सक्सेस इन योर लाइफ। आपने जो भी प्रोजेक्ट पे काम किया है या जो भी काम किया है उसके लिए आपको appreciate किया जाएगा, that is going to finish and you are ready for new challenges in life. So your superiors will appreciate your hard work. Now it's the time for freedom to go to new direction. So एक प्रोजेक्ट आपका कंप्लीट हो गया एंड यू आर रेडी फॉर न्यू चैलेंजेस इन लाइफ. So one journey is complete. Now you are a free bird to find new directions, new challenges, new hope. So all the best, Aries. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडिएक साइन पे चलते हैं, टॉरस। लेट्स सी वृषभ राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है टॉरस के लिए। ओके, टॉरस, फॉर यू द कार्ड इज क्वीन ऑफ स्प्रिंग, विच मीन्स you are very talented, you are friendly this week, you have lots of friends, you are brilliant in your work. So it's the time to believe in yourself. You have wonderful people around you to help you because you yourself is friendly and you are attracting wonderful people who are ready to help you. So believe in yourself and start working for your goals. Also, it is the time to maintain a balance between your work and home life. So, both you should not mix, you should have a balanced approach towards both work and home. Then it will be a happy and prosperous life for you. So, all the best, Taurus. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडिएक साइन जेमिनाई। लेट्स सी क्या गाइडेंस है जेमिनाई के लिए। ओके, सो जेमिनाई आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 7 ऑफ विंटर। कभी कभी हमें लगता है कि हम जिस चीज के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, वी फील दैट दिस इज द ओनली चॉइस फॉर यू, फॉर अस, एंड वी डोंट सी थिंग्स क्लियरली कि ये चॉइस वाकई हमारे लिए बेटर है कि वी हैव अदर अपॉर्चुनिटीज एज वेल। हम सच से भाग रहे होते हैं। तो ये वही गाइडेंस है जेमिनाई फॉर यू। देयर आर बेटर चॉइसेस अवेलेबल, जस्ट लुक एट द बेटर चॉइस. You are not able to see things clearly. You are running away from truth. Face it. If this is not happened, it is not the right choice for you. So you have to face the reality. Don't run away from the truth. See things clearly. There are better choices available. So you have to look beyond the choice which you are stuck at. I hope you will understand and work upon it. All the best, Gemini. चलिए लेट अस मूव ऑन टू कैंसर, द नेक्स्ट जोडिएक साइन। लेट्स सी क्या गाइडेंस है। ओके, सो फॉर कैंसेरियंस द कार्ड इज लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस, which means it is the time to let go of things, beliefs, situations which is no longer work for you. Don't stick on to it. Go out and see new changes. Face the important life changing event. Leave behind old things and move on for the new experience. there will be a situation that leads to significant opportunities, so you will you look up and see new opportunities are waiting for you. There will be a significant turnover in your life, a new situation will turn up that will lead to significant opportunities. But to reach to that situation, you have to let go of things which are no longer no longer serve for you. Don't stuck on things, Cancer, or hold on to things which are no longer for you. Be the new one, new person, and see the significant opportunity. So, all the best, Cancer. Let us check the guidance for Leo. Let's see what is stored for Leo. Okay, Leo, for you, the card is Nine of Autumn, which is a very beautiful card. It tells us about self confidence. Have self confidence. Cherish your time alone. Be independent. Don't run out for relationships. It's the time to enjoy your bachelorhood, enjoy your me time, enjoy your alone time. Reward yourself for all your hard work which you have done, and you have been appreciated for your hard work. You have received success, financial growth, abundance. So it is the time to reward yourself. Buy expensive gifts for yourself. You are a self employed, successful entrepreneur. Cherish it. Be happy and enjoy the self employed. Or you are in a leadership position, you got promotion, salary hike. Enjoy that luxury. Gift yourself, pamper yourself. Have that self confidence and independence in you, Leo. All the best. Chaliye, let us move on to Virgo. Let's see the guidance for Virgo. What is stored for Virgo? Okay, so Virgo, for you, the card is Two of Spring, which means a bright future manifested through hard work and creativity. So, this is the time to manifest bright future for yourself, which can be manifested through hard work and your creativity. Also, you can partner with others who have the mutual understanding and who have the same goals which you share, same dream, so you can grow together. Great progress being made. So whatever work you are doing, you have progressed, greatly. You have progressed brilliantly. So you have a bright future. Partner with others to have to who share the same dreams, same goals, and bring success in yourself. All the best, Virgo. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडियक साइन लिब्रा पे चलते हैं. लेट्स सी तुला राशि वालों के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके, सो लिब्रा, फॉर यू द कार्ड इज किंग ऑफ समर, विच मीन्स you are very mature and warm hearted person. You may have a romantic partner whom you can trust if you are single, or if you are already in a relationship, your partner will is romantic partner whom you can trust. So trust your partner. Also, you can find an advice. If you are stuck and you need some solution, there are people around who can give excellent advice to you, which will directly come from the heart. Or you are ready to give advice to others, which will be directly from your heart. Also, you might be involved yourself in some cultural or creative endeavor. It can be dance, it can be music, cooking, or any art and craft event. So you will be involved yourself in these cultural and creative endeavor. This is the excellent advice coming from the heart. All the best, Libra. चलिए स्कॉर्पियो पे चलते हैं. लेट्स सी what is the guidance for Scorpio. Let's open the card. Okay, Scorpio, for you, the card is Ace of Spring. It means it is the time to take action. Be fearless and happily pursue your most treasured dream. So it is the time to be fearless and happily pursue your treasured dream. This is the right time to take action towards your goals. This is the right time to happily pursue your dreams. If you are looking out for new career opportunities, definitely you will find amazing career opportunities. or within your career you will have amazing career opportunities, so make use of it. All the best. Let us move ahead with Sagittarius. Let's see the card. Okay. Sagittarius, for you, the card is King of Spring, which means you are an innovator, you are inspiring to others, you are very wise in taking decisions. Also, you might have financial windfall. Maybe your FD is matured, or someone has taken money from you and it was stuck since long. You will have a financial windfall, make use of it. Also, your leadership skills are needed now. Your colleagues are waiting for you to show your leadership skills because you inspire others. Also, you might find an unexpected supporter for your cause, whatever NGO or whatever cause you are working on it. You will have an unexpected supporter or financer for your cause. So just look at the signals. All the best, Sagittarius. Let us move ahead for Capricorn. Let's see the guidance for Capricorn. Okay, Capricorns, it's a wonderful card for you, the Sun, which means everything will be perfect for you this week. You will have rewards, recognitions, commendations, financial success, and abundance. Whatever challenges you were facing last week, that will be over now. Your plan will work out perfectly. Also, you have to have the gratitude for the blessings of life. Your salary will increase, so it's an amazing time this week for you, Capricorn. You have a joyous time with your family. It will be an enjoyable time. Make use of it. All the best. Let us move ahead for Aquarius, Kumbh Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Aquarius, for you we have the wish card, Nine of Summer, which means your wishes will come true. Keep manifesting your dreams and desires. Your dream will be fulfilled this week. It's a magical time of your life. Universe is blessing you. Keep manifesting your wishes. Definitely it will come true. All the best. Let us move ahead to the last zodiac, Pisces. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Pisces, for you, the card is Queen of Winter, which means you are independent and strong person this time. Be patient and focus on your career. You are self sufficient. Let go of things that is no longer serve you. Can be divorce, it can be relationship struggles. Move ahead in life. Or you might be unmarried, so don't run behind relationship which is not serving any purpose. It is the time to focus on your career first and then move ahead. So relationship challenges or whatever it is that is no longer serve you, so leave behind it and focus on your career. All the best, Spices. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. I hope this weekly guidances help you in your work, in your career, in your personal life. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you next week.